Hello friends, today we'll be discussing a few important banking awareness questions. First question, banking ombudsman scheme is applicable to the business of which type of organizations? Out of the answers, the answer is all scheduled commercial banks including regional rural banks. Next one, which of the following functions is not performed by, say, the RBI? Here they have given to confuse the candidates certain functions such as regulation of banks in India, regulation of foreign direct investment in India, foreign currency management in India, currency management in India, control and supervision of money supply. The answer is regulation of foreign direct investment in India. All other functions are monitored by the Reserve Bank of India. Scheduled bank is what? A scheduled bank is a bank that is included in the second schedule of RBI Act. Next question, what is the upper limit prescribed under RTGS transaction? The answer is no upper limit is prescribed. Then next question, what is it called? Distribution of insurance products and insurance policies by banks as corporate agents. That is known as bank assurance. Then which of the following committees or task forces was set up to suggest reforms in banking sector? And among that, the famous one that is given is Narasimham Committee. Then they have asked, what is the expansion of FINO? It stands for Financial Inclusion Network and Operations. Next question, when the rate of inflation increases, what will happen? The choices given, value of money increases, purchasing power of money decreases, purchase power of money increases, purchasing power of money remains unaffected, then amount of money in circulation decreases. Can you guess what is the answer? The answer is purchasing power of money decreases. Next one is about ASBA. That is, which of the following is the main advantage of ASBA accounts with the ASBA accounts with the applicants have for share investment? The answer is ASBA applicants deposit or OD accounts is not debited, but only the funds are blocked for the same, and he or she continues to avail the interest on till the shares are allotted to him. This comes in the case of, say, people applying for shares with the companies. They have an account known as ASBA account, and that account will be debited only if the shares are allotted. Next question is, the interest on savings bank account is now calculated by banks on which basis? Can you guess what is the basis? Is it on minimum balance during the month, or is it on minimum balance from 10th of the last day of the month, or daily products? The answer is nowadays it is calculated on daily products basis. Then next one is which of the following is not considered as a money market instrument? Choices given, treasury bills, a repurchase agreement, commercial paper, certificate of deposit, shares and bonds. What is the answer? The answer is shares and bonds. All others are money market instrument. Candidates, I suggest you go through Google search and get to know what are the other things called treasury bills, commercial paper, etc. Otherwise, whenever an opportunity arises, I will discuss about that. Which of the following is not a part of the scheduled banking structure in India? Various choices are given. 1. State cooperative banks, Public sector banks, private sector banks, or regional rural banks? The answer is regional rural banks. And also the next choice given is money lenders. I hope you would have got the answer by now. The answer is money lenders. Because they are not controlled by RBI or any other organization. You must have seen the Multani bankers who charge exorbitant rate of interest, sometimes as high as 3% per month. Yeah. Next question is, which of the following is known as plastic money? First choice given is demand draft. Second choice given is credit card. Third choice given is debit card. The answer is both the answer is same 2 and 3, that is the credit card and debit card. These two are called as plastic money. Next one is normally banks accept fixed deposits for a maximum period of how many years? Normally it is 10 years. When the deposit is put in the name of a minor, then it can be for a longer period till the minor attains majority. Then the next question is, what is the expansion of IFRS? The expansion is International Financial Reporting Standards. Next question, KYC guidelines followed by banks have been framed on the recommendation of which organization? KYC, you know, it is Know Your Customer. Has it been framed based on Ministry of Home Affairs, Ministry of Rural Development, based on RBI, based on Indian Banks Association's recommendations, or Financial Intelligence Unit? The answer for that is Reserve Bank of India. Then what is the rate at which commercial banks charge on their surplus funds they keep with a Reserve Bank of India? Is it SLR or reverse repo rate or repo rate or cash reserve ratio or bank rate? The answer is reverse repo rate. Reverse repo rate is a rate, so you know the banks are given whenever they keep the excess funds with the Reserve Bank of India. I suggest you go to www.rbi.org.in and you can see the rates prevalent as on date. Thank you. Best wishes today. We will continue in the next video.